Come. If life ever gives you spoiled banana, don't throw it away. Oh. Just make banana bread, eat it, and drink water. Let's make some together.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, you already know we are making banana bread, so please hit the subscribe button if you've not subscribed yet. Thank you.
This is about 6 bananas and I'm just going to be adding everything into this bowl. Now I'm going to be using my fork to mash this. This is what you want. Now we'll be going in with half cup of melted butter. Guys, in my oil-based recipes, I don't like using oil because I don't like the taste of oil in my baked goods. I don't like the taste of oil, so I prefer the taste of butter. I melted some butter and I'm just going to be adding it to this. Cracking 2 eggs. This is one of the easiest things you can make by yourself. Trust me. And it comes out delicious every time. Now give that a very good whisk. Go in with half cup of sugar and whisk. I'll be going in with half teaspoon of butterscotch flavor, half teaspoon of milk essence flavor, two cups of all-purpose flour. Let me tell you a secret. One of the secrets to a very fluffy banana bread is your baking powder. If you add in the right amount of baking powder to your banana bread, so it's not going to be too dense and it's going to be very fluffy, like extra fluffy, and you want that. So we're going to be adding in the 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a little bit of ground allspice because I love the flavor. Now you don't want to overmix, so just folding.